Hi, this is Samyukta and I'm going to be answering a few questions about health insurance policies. The first question is, how does health insurance work? A health insurance policy is basically a contract between you and a health insurance provider where you agree to pay a certain premium, and if you have a large hospitalization expense, then basically the health insurance company will compensate you up to the sum insured. This is able to work because you're not the only person that the insurance company insures. There are a whole bunch of people who fit a similar profile to yours, and the idea behind this is that not everyone is going to make a claim in a given year. Are health insurance policies worth it? So the premium that you're going to pay for a health insurance policy is to the tune of a few thousand rupees, but your hospital bill that you can rack up because of a medical emergency can run into a few lakhs. Now, I think it's definitely worth paying a few thousand rupees because it's going to take you years to actually incur a cost in the tune of lakhs before you have an event. Whereas if you decide that you don't want to be insured, then you're definitely going to end up spending that entire money out of pocket. And so the financial trade-off is pretty clear. It's definitely worth having your own insurance policy. Question 2. Are health insurance premiums increasing? Post-COVID, we've seen a spike in health insurance premiums. And there's a common misconception that if you make a claim, then automatically your premiums increase. This is not true. There can be exceptional situations like COVID where the insurance company decides to increase premiums across all categories, but otherwise the only reasons or the typical reasons for your premium to increase would be things like you've moved in terms of a risk category, meaning you have some sort of health complication that puts you at a higher risk of making a claim, or you've actually crossed an age bandwidth because as you age, your health insurance premiums are going to increase anyway. Are health and medical insurance the same? There is a slight difference between a health insurance policy and a medical insurance policy. The main thing being that health insurance policies are more comprehensive for two reasons. The first is, in a health insurance policy, if you don't make a claim, then you're eligible for something known as a no claim bonus, and that basically increases your sum insured without really affecting your cost, which you don't have in a medical policy. The second thing is known as a restoration benefit. So a restoration benefit means that if you have a policy for 5 lakhs and you have a medical expense for 5 lakhs which you claim through the policy, and in the same year you have another totally different illness, then your policy cover gets restored from zero, which basically happens because you spent your 5 lakhs, back to 5 lakhs again. So you can claim up to 5 lakhs for a totally different medical situation. This is again not applicable in a medical policy. It only applies for health insurance. So if you are contemplating between the two, health insurance probably works better for you. Then next question, are health insurance premiums tax deductible? Under Section 80D of the Income Tax Act, you can claim health insurance premiums, but this is applicable only if you're filing taxes in the old regime, because in the new regime, you won't be able to claim any deductions. How much you can claim as a deduction depends on whether you're claiming for yourself, your parents, and whether you or your parents are senior citizens or not. Can health insurance be cancelled? You can cancel your health insurance policy by just choosing not to renew it and letting the grace period lapse as well. But you also have an option to port your policy. So if you just don't want to be with one insurer and you want to move to another insurer, then there is an option for you to port your policy. You don't need to let your policy lapse. And porting allows you to take the same sum insured with the new insurer. But things like your waiting periods, etc., may have to start again, depending on the new insurer's policy. How much health insurance do I need? For a family of 3 people living in a metro city, I think the minimum amount of health insurance you should have is 10 to 15 lakhs. But how much health insurance you may want depends on what kind of medical care and attention you're expecting to receive, as well as what kind of health condition you are in. So both of these factors are really going to affect what policy you want to choose and how comprehensive your cover is, and it can definitely be upwards of that, but this is the bare minimum I think a family should look at having. Health insurance for senior citizens. We've actually written a very extensive blog post on this for Silver Talkies. That's an organization that works with seniors. And in this we've covered like the top health insurance plans, as well as what are features which make a good insurance policy. I think this will be really helpful. We'll link it for you here as well. How does the health insurance claim process work? The claim process for a health insurance policy can happen in two ways. So each policy will define something known as a network hospital, and a network hospital, if you get admitted into a network hospital, then you can opt for a cashless settlement. So that means the insurance company directly pays the bill at the hospital and you don't get involved. If you are treated at a non-network hospital, what happens is you would have to pay the hospital bill first and then you file for a claim or a reimbursement with the insurance company. What is the difference between health insurance and critical illness? A health insurance policy covers you up to a certain sum insured. So say you have a 10 lakh policy, any claim that you make up to 10 lakhs will be paid out, and it's for any sort of hospitalization. Whereas with a critical illness policy, it covers you for specific critical illnesses. So this could be things like cancer or like heart disease or a stroke. And what happens with a critical illness policy is that upon diagnosis, if you have say a policy for 25 lakhs, then the insurer pays you that 25 lakhs and that's it. So you actually can renew your health insurance policy year on year even after you make a claim. But if you have a critical illness policy, once you make the claim, you don't get to, you may not be allowed to renew your policy depending on the insurer's sort of rules and regulations, right? And the policy terminates when you make the claim. I hope this answers a lot of your questions about insurance. And if you're still not sure, or if something's on your mind and you want to know more, do send us a message with your questions. We'd be most happy to answer them. You can also get in touch if you'd like to explore what kind of insurance products suit you, or if you want your insurance portfolio reviewed. You can email us at info@ithought.co.in, or you can leave a comment and our team will get back to you. Thank you for watching.